Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can undo your most recent edits and changes to your pages and sites on Google Sites. So let us get started. So navigate or head over to your site project on Google Sites, and let me just add, let's say, a change or edit to that footer here at the bottom of that homepage. Click into it, and now, for example, let me add an example text. Press enter, and what you want to do, guys, is simply click into one of these buttons here at the top. And for example, you might redo the last action, or you might undo it to remove the most recent action, just like that. And there you go. As you can see, it has disappeared. So if you'd like to undo your undoing, use that arrow to the right button. That is going to restore your last change. Let me just change or correct the typo here. Another option, guys, would be to simply use either shortcut Ctrl-Z on your keyboard or Command-C if you're using a Mac to go back in time with these changes and edits. And there you go. Now the four most recent changes and edits have been undone without using these buttons here at the top, guys. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.